Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over long band tricep extensions. To start, all you're going to need is a long resistance band. You're going to step into the resistance band and set your feet up at hip distance apart with your feet pointing straight. Next, you're going to grab the resistance band with your hands at shoulders width, pull your shoulder blades back, bending your elbows to pull the band up, and then pressing the band overhead. From here, I'm going to have you bring your hands close together so that your fingers are touching, making sure that your core is tight, your back is straight, and keeping your elbows tight towards your head. You're going to bend your elbows, bringing your hands down towards your spine, and full extension, squeezing the triceps at the top. Make sure that when your elbows are bending, that your elbows are staying nice and tight towards your head and not flaring out like this. You want to keep them nice and tight. You also want to make sure that your spine is straight and not overly arched or extended. Nice and straight. Shoop. And that is a long band tricep extension.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys.